to fly away with me. Call me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for tonight, it's already 9 o'clock in the evening. So for tonight, we will do our, I just finished my PK, Bigo PK, and just for 10 minutes. And then later on at 10 to 11 will be my Beat Blaster. So that's an event from Bigo. And then yeah, I need to attend for it in the time of my schedule. So now we're gonna stop for a while because we just rest and then come back at 10. So our time is 9:09. 9:09. So we will be dancing later, guys. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Inaano dayo? Palati. And then like so we're gonna stop for a while and relax, and then maybe eating, and then so we're gonna go down and then continue later in a bit. Gonna go down, guys. Naarba ko yung sakiton adto kung bantayan. Ayan, guys. Dagan ka ng mga butong agoy, sus ko. Dagan ka yung box. Maapa manggod ko pangbalot ari. So, see you in a bit. So guys, we are downstairs and yeah, time check is, look at that, it's 9:20 and then we are outside. We are outside and checking our plants if there is still water. Still what? No, there is no enough water. Oh my god. We're gonna do. happened to my plant? What is that happening with that? Checking our flowers. Mauni siya, guys. And here also, I don't know. This is a kind of flowers. Checking our plants again. Oh no, there is one there. What happened? Why this is like that? No, before we have a lot. Look at that, guys. No, a lot, huh? There is a lot. Oh, there's also too big, and a lot, I think. Really. We're gonna do. Oops. Oh. It's a little bit cold now, but we don't know why this is. What is that? What is that, guys? But in fairness, a very, very nice flower, right? A very, very nice flower, right? We're gonna do like that. Yeah. Thank you everyone for the support to my channel, and yeah, please join my channel membership, guys, and see you in my next vlog.